Here at Tri-Arc, we do more than just manufacture the most versatile and reliable steel ladders and access solutions. We support thousands of people every day on products we make at our large facility right here in America. We are experts. We do our job so you can do yours. We make the safest and most reliable products, increasing your productivity through better and more comfortable access. We don't settle for good enough. We only accept the best. After all, you need to be safe to be productive. We have a wider range of offerings than anyone else. From our catalog of standard mobile ladders and work platforms, to our VersaStep modular access product, to our line of fixed steel ladders, we have what you're looking for. Beyond that, we have our fully customized engineered access solutions division that solves problems that a standard product cannot. Our highly skilled and experienced engineers will design a solution to address your needs. And if your situation doesn't require our custom engineering, there's our U-Design product, which allows you to configure your own ladder, crossover, and platform system. So whether you just need a standard product or something completely custom, our wide variety of offerings will keep you safe, secure in the knowledge that you are being supported by experts to make it through your work. We go a step above anyone else, bending over backwards so you don't have to. We find the best solution, no matter what. We help you operate at the highest level, the height of productivity, the height of comfort, the height of safety. We get you to the top of your game so you can do your best work, standing on our expertise. Tri-Arc Manufacturing, going a step above to put you a step ahead.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.